Let's go! Hi guys, so we are already here in the airport. Ang bigat naman ito. Oh my god! Ganun pala siya. Hindi ko marunong. Wait lang. Nadi, saan? Alam mo ba kung saan? So our first flight is WestJet, so we'll have to find the check-in counter. Yeah, let's go. There's a lineup. So we are currently in line and we are waiting for the check-in. Parang ngayon ko lang naramdaman yung excitement. Hi guys everybody, so the time is now almost 5 p.m. and our flight is I think 8 p.m. so we are super early kasi nga maabot kami ng traffic on the way kaya medyo inagahan namin and we're done checking in our baggage, so we are now going for security check. And yeah, magchichill na lang kami, maghihintay for our flight. So our first flight is from Calgary to Vancouver, and yeah, from Vancouver it's gonna be straight flight going to the Manila airport. So yeah, sobrang smooth naman ng check-in so far, and wala naman kami naging hassle, hindi naman kami na over baggage or anything, kaya medyo okay. And hindi naman sobrang busy yung airport. Like look, yeah. And ayan, busy siya. Nililipat niya kasi iba naman ang bag niya. Pero yeah, we are going for security. Hi guys, so we are having dinner, early dinner. Para hindi kami magutom mamaya. So, I'm having a pizza, like a supreme pizza. Let's eat, guys. Bakit lang hot sauce? Makikitikin ko mga kain. Oh wow. Patikin ako ah. Laki? Okay lang. Sarap. Are now inside the plane for our Calgary to Vancouver flight. So, hindi pa kami nakakaalis. Parang feeling ko pagod na ako. Antok na ako kasi nga yung mga waiting time like super. And then meron na kaming layover na less than 3 hours, and then we're gonna fly another 14 hours going to Manila. So yeah, let's go. Hi guys, so we are now here in Vancouver and kakaland lang namin, and we are just waiting to go out. Antok na ako pero hindi ako makatulog. But let's go. PR 117 on to Manila. Okay, so we are going to gate D71 for our Philippine Airlines flight bound to Manila. Let's go. Let's go. How are you, Dad? Hindi ka makatulog. Nag-try din ako manood ng movie, pero parang hindi ko feel yung na-download ko. Kaya, ayun. Clock hands spin, but time bends in this
build of ours. Some they stretch
So we are going to the duty free.
like shooting stars. The less they go, they expand and shrink. Memories
We are looking for some additional pasalubong. Kasi nga, anong tawag dito? Kasi, iniwanan namin yung iba namin chocolate, so kailangan namin bumili ng iba. Iba pang pasalubong. Ayan. $31 Toblerone and then $2. Wine. Oh wow. How much are the keychains? Okay, so bumili kami ng ilang chocolate doon sa naunang duty free and meron pala ditong mas malaki. Look at this.
wow.
Oh. Ano? Bili ka na. Ang ganda ng duty free nila dito. Ang sosyal. No? Ang ganda ng vibe. Saka parang mas marami silang chocolate dito. Ay. Luxury brand. Oh, bumili ka na dyan ng Chanel. For sure, ano yan? Anong for sure, sobrang mahal na. Hi guys, so we are just chilling and waiting here at Vancouver International Airport. Yeah, so we need to wait another 1.5 hours before we board. And yeah, so far, kamusta ka naman?
Pagod na ako, antok na ako. But we still have 14 hours to go.
Sabi ko kay Dari, ba't mo ba kasi ako dinala sa Canada? Ang layo pala. So, siguro kasi hindi ako sanay na magbiyahe. Like, sobrang tagal ko na nakasakay ng aeroplano. So, parang 2 years ago, nung nag-Ottawa, yun lang. Parang short flight lang yun. Pero, yung mga ganitong siguro, yung pinaka-long, parang sobrang nahaselan ako. Tapos parang sobrang nakakapagod.
Hindi ka lang sanay.
Yun nga, hindi lang din ako sanay. Tapos hindi pa ako sanay sa mga direction. Kaya kailangan talaga kasama ko siya. Kaya if ever na uwi ako mag-isa, I think hindi ako makaka-uwi. Charis.
Well, na, 10:24
Yeah,
in the
it's
evening.
10:24 in the evening na dito sa Canada. And,
Still have 14 hours.
mhm,
I'm tired.
yeah, pagod. So, pero I think it's gonna be all worth it kapag nakarating kami and we're able to be with our families, diba? Ang dami namin plano for 1 month. Siguro nga, yung plano namin siguro mga pang 2 months. Pero hindi, of course, kailangan namin bumalik sa trabaho, of course. But yeah, we have plans and yeah, hopefully ma-enjoy namin and make the most out of it, diba? Yay! So, see you guys there. Ikaw, anong gusto mo pang sabihin?
See you Philippines. See you, and then we're gonna spend there like a month of vacation. So hopefully may trabaho pa kayong babalikan dito sa Canada. And then yeah, we just need to enjoy the moment that we have dun kasama families namin, friends namin, kasi hindi nila alam na uwi kami.
Yung friends lang, yung mga true friends lang. Charis. Boom. Charis. So, yeah, we'll see. And may mga in-expect ka bang taong makita?
Siyempre, family,
Aside from that,
friends.
sino mga friends mo?
Marami.
We have like, siguro mabibilang mo sa kamay. Yung mga friends namin. Siguro mga 6 or 5 or 3. Yeah, but we are excited. And yeah, let's go. So we are finally boarding for our last flight. Let's go. Hi, good evening. Is it this one? Thank you. Oh my gosh.
Pino welcomes you on board PR 117 bound for Manila. In command of this aircraft is Captain Vince Santos. Assisting him in the controls is Captain Bernard Masco. Assisting them is First Officer A. Alonso and Second Officer Royce Oxin. This is Johan Buha, your flight purser. Our estimated flight time is approximately 13 hours and 30 minutes.
13 hours and 30 minutes. Hours and 30 minutes kaming ganito. International Airport and we are able to retrieve our luggage naman. Hindi naman kami masyadong nahirapan. So, okay lang. And, yeah, yun. Dumaan din kami ng duty free dito sa may Philippines. Kasi, bumili kami ng mga additional chocolates. And, yeah, this is the current situation. So, ayun. I think dadaan pa kami ng immigration. Di ba, Dad?
Yeah.
Dadaan pa kami ng immigration. And, so, first impression. First impression, Magino. First impression. Yeah.